collectively builds us strong in a foundation. I believe in building a background of relatedness. In my classroom, I do that every day with seniors, you see. So once you get this background of relatedness built, trust me, you can fly, and we are flying. Sister Stephanie has already inspired me greatly. We got one thing in common. We were born in the same year. We ain't chatting with you, I already told you. So I want to be able to see you, so we'll let you.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Stephanie Wright, and I'm out of New York. And I was actually informed about this tour by my sisters, my two sisters, who had already planned to travel with Bomani, and I didn't know anything about the tour myself. And when they asked me if I was interested in coming, I was like, well, you know, I hadn't planned on going anywhere. I don't have any money. So we worked that part out. It's not, you know, it's a very reasonable price. So that was definitely an incentive. But what really caught my attention was the fact that it had a business component to it, which was much more of interest to me than you know, than just touring around as a tourist. You know, I, like many people, are really looking at ways to kind of get free in more ways than one. So you know, I thought about Africa for a long time. This is my first trip to Africa, so it's good, and so far it's been really good, and you know, I'm learning as I go and becoming enraged in everything I see. But you know, I mean, inspired by the beauty, but enraged by the state of the people, and you know, I just try to keep my rage down and just be calm and take it slowly, because obviously Rome wasn't built in a day. But yeah, so far so good. I mean, I want to ask, well, Mommy, how much weight have you lost trying to put this whole thing together?
No, I haven't lost any weight. What you have to do is just kind of spread things out and pace yourself. And that's the word I always use with everyone that wants to come on a journey. Pace yourself and get things done little by little, and it will all be done in a 1-year time frame. So it's all spread it out over a period of time and just planned way ahead of time. So it makes it a little easier to get done here and have an excellent crew.
I take my hat off to you, because I would have been a basket case trying to put all this together. It was hard enough trying to put myself together. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, my two sisters were the ones who inspired me, and I'm here, and so far so good. I'm looking forward to a lot more as the days go by.
Let's give Stephanie a hand.
But I am the youngest sister of the three, and just want to let you know. So my sister Lois, I've been to parts of Africa before, and my sister Lois has been talking about this for a couple of years. So we were looking around at different prices and whatever, and found it very cost prohibitive. So my other sister Charlotte, who's been adopted in my family, has told Lois about Bomani. And once I looked at his website, I was very inspired by everything that Stephanie just said, especially the investment part. So from there, once I read it, it was a done deal. We decided to do it. And then halfway through, we said, we can't leave Stephanie behind, because anything you need to know about the continent of Africa, Stephanie can tell you about it. She's inspired me so much throughout my life, just about my consciousness and my blackness. So that started our journey. Now, since I've been here, what inspired me the most is the relationships. Witnessing the relationship firsthand between the people here, the community. You know, I find that to be inspiring. Everywhere I go, you look at people's eyes, and the eyes tell you. So I see happiness in their eyes. They may not have the advantages that we have, but they have a lot more. They have a sense of community. So that's all. So that's me.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yes, it is. You have to give it up. Yeah, see, that's me. It's like, you can have an experience and it's really great, and it's natural to want to share it with those whom you love dearly, family, biological or not. So I just got so excited when I found out that we had 3 sisters. I don't know if that's happened before on the journey of a lifetime with Africa for the Africans, but it's sure happening right now. Sis number next. Yeah, Stephanie is an African historian. She studies, she educated her family. That's what we do. We learn so that we teach. Thank you.
Good evening or good morning, sisters and brothers.
Good.
My name is Lois Graham. I am one of the 7 siblings of David Wright and Lois Wright. We try to stay in communication with each other as much as we can. So, like my sister said, we have been talking about Africa for a while. It was a journey that I truly wanted to go on, and so my sister Charlotte, she told us about it, and then we made it happen. I am truly blessed to come here and to be part of this tour group, and it won't be my last time.
Oh, wonderful.